Well, it's Thursday night. Oh, and there's karaoke night tonight.
Karaoke night in the Mortlock residence.
She's got a new machine now. It's got flashing lights and everything. There she goes down. Phil Collins. I wish it would rain now. What are you doing? Anyway, if you like our videos, don't forget to click like and subscribe. We're
96.
Yep.
96.
So we're 4 away from 100.
You know I never meant to see you again, but I only passed by as a friend, yeah. All this time I stayed out of sight. I started wondering why. Now I wish it would rain down on me. Oh yes, I wish it would rain down on me now. Oh yes, I wish it would rain down on me. Oh yes, I wish it would rain on me. You said you didn't need me in your life. Oh, I guess you were right, yeah. Oh, I never meant to cause you no pain, but it looks like I did it again, yeah. Now I know I wish it would rain down on me. Oh yes, I wish it would rain down on me now. Oh girl, I wish it would rain down on me. Oh yes, I wish it would rain on me. Though your hurt is gone, mine's hanging on inside. And I know, well, it's eating me through the night and day. I'm just waiting on your sign. 'Cause I never meant to cause you no pain, and I realize I let you down. Oh yeah. But I know in the heart of hearts, I know I'm never gonna hold you again. And now I know it would rain down on me. Well, you know I wish it would rain down on me now. Oh yes, I wish it would rain down on me. Yes, you know I wish it would rain down over me. Just rain down on me. Just let it rain down. Let it rain down. Let it rain down. Oh yeah. Well, let it rain down. Rain down over me. Just let it rain down. Just let it rain down. Let it rain down. Just let it rain.
Well, that was a lovely song, Andrea.
Thank you very much.
Okay, well, don't forget
So
to
click, like, and subscribe.
see you in the next one.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.